Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Pope Leo encouraged us with his Lenten message to fast from words that would hate and words that would not give life. Locally, our Catholic bishops also invites all of us during this season for a digital fasting to at least take off, minimize screen time, technology and gadget for personal growth, prayer, and to deepen interaction with family, with loved ones, and with people around us. At marahil tatanungin natin bakit naman nila ito sinabi, even with at least the standard of what fasting really is, of taking one full meal a day for Ash Wednesday and Good Friday. Why such recommendations? Why such invitation? And I do believe that our leaders, our dear pastors, would not only invite us to do this to strip off something bodily or something that is personal. Hindi lang po ito pagpapakitang tao, kundi ito ay pagpapakatao. That at our fasting is not only for self-gain, but it is value formation, person formation, heart formation, that being said. This Friday after Ash Wednesday, we are led to this reflection about fasting from our readings today from the prophet Isaiah and from the Gospel of Matthew. Napuna po ng Panginoon that in the days they're called to fast, they saw His people. They were trying to at least degrade the value of people. They are wishing their own, they wish bad luck to others. They are doing unjust practices towards people and their peers. Mga pagpapakitang tao lang pala ang kanilang pag-aayuno. But what God wants is that fasting that is formative, pagpapakatao, setting free the oppressed, breaking every yoke, sharing bread to the hungry, sheltering the oppressed and the homeless, clothing the naked as you see them, showing mercy, pagpapakatao, pagbibigay halaga sa iba. And with the question of the Pharisees, questioning about fasting is, to question about fasting is in a way intriguing. That why do you question such if it is a spiritual activity? Muli pagpapakitang tao at hindi pagpapakatao. I know that in one way or another, we have taken leave, said goodbye for a while for the things we fast during this season. Fasting from bad words, taking off some favorite things that we have. Today is Friday, it's a day of abstinence, and to the many fastings that we have and practice during this season. At maganda pong suriin ng ating pag-aayuno kung ito ba ay pagpapakitang tao o ito ba ay pagpapakatao. After these 40 days, what has happened to us? Were we able to feed someone? Were we able to let someone be happy? Were we able to pray for someone? And most especially, were we able to form our hearts like that of Jesus? With the fastings, with the things that we let go, may this not only benefit ourselves, but let this benefit others on how we value them and raise their dignity as well, reminding one another that we are children of God. For such a season reminds us that we indeed are the children of God, pinapahalagahan at totoong nagbibigay ng ating pagpapakatao.